Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to SmartRoute AI, an autonomous delivery planning agent designed to make last-mile logistics safer, faster, and smarter. If you're struggling with delayed deliveries, weather disruptions, or warehouse confusion, this agent is built exactly for that problem. Let's first understand the real problem. Most delivery failures happen because of three major gaps. Inventory is checked too late. Weather risks are ignored. Routes are decided manually or blindly. This leads to missed SLAs, unhappy customers, and operational chaos. And when decisions depend on humans alone, errors are unavoidable. SmartRoute AI is an autonomous delivery routing and fulfillment optimization agent. It doesn't just suggest routes, it thinks, evaluates, and decides using real-time inventory data, live and forecasted weather intelligence, distance and route analytics. And most importantly, it prioritizes safety and SLA compliance over speed. To generate a delivery plan, SmartRoute AI only asks for 4 simple inputs: order ID, city name, customer delivery address, order details in natural language. No complex forms. No structured data headaches. Once the inputs are validated, SmartRoute AI checks inventory across all warehouses. It automatically selects the best fulfillment location based on availability and distance. If inventory is insufficient, the agent intelligently looks for alternate suppliers. Next comes a critical step: weather intelligence. SmartRoute AI retrieves real-time and forecast weather data to identify risks like heavy rain, storms, extreme conditions. Each delivery is classified as low, medium, or high weather risk. Using distance calculations and route analytics, SmartRoute AI selects the safest and fastest path. If severe weather or stock shortages exist, the agent may suggest alternate routes, recommend partial shipments, propose delivery delays. All decisions are data-driven and autonomous. Finally, SmartRoute AI delivers a complete delivery plan in natural language, including selected warehouse, inventory status, weather risk level, estimated delivery time, route summary, confidence score, clear, explainable, decision ready. With SmartRoute AI, businesses gain faster and safer deliveries, reduced SLA breaches, autonomous decision-making, higher customer satisfaction, scalable logistics intelligence. This is not automation, this is agentic logistics AI. SmartRoute AI proves that logistics decisions don't need guesswork, they need intelligence. If you're building agentic AI solutions for real-world operations, this is the future. Like, share, and follow for more AI agent breakdowns. See you in the next video. Rock it!